I'll mystify your space. That's a little unicorn talking, and it says, I'll mystify your space. We all know unicorns don't talk. Hi guys, welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to unbox the... I can't read this. Can you read this, guys? Can you read this? It's the Elodie. Is it in English? The rest of it is the Unicorn LED Diffuser 2.0 by Smoko. So yeah, I got this for Christmas, which was a long time ago. So it is basically just a diffuser, but it's cute unicorn. So I don't know how much unboxing there's gonna have to be, but look at Alright guys, let's admire how cute this is. Oh my Lanta. So up here you have the cute horns, and then it has cute little pink things, and in the back it's like super colorful. Oh my gosh, this is actually too cute. And then it has the face. Look at that face. Then instructions, and then the plug. That's pretty much it. They don't give you like even like one diffuser. Usually like when you buy diffusers, they give you at least one or something to start off with. These people give you nothing. And then it has light. Oh, so it's lit. Lit. I don't know why I said that. As soon as I said it, I felt wrong and dirty. And then it says like 1 hour, 2 hours, or INT, which maybe it's like continuous. Like, so here is the settings, and then it has light, and then it has mist. And then you could either, it says like you could move it. Oh yeah, so lock or open. I'm assuming because it's not plugged in, it won't move. So let's try it out. One time, I forgot how to spell was. Now, I wasn't did I just forget how to speak right now? I wasn't drunk, I wasn't high, I was just tired, and I had to spell the word was, and I totally blanked out, and like words are hard sometimes, and W-A-S. You're so dumb, Nancy, you're so dumb. Okay, I got it open. Oh, so this is how it looks when you open it, and it tells you the water. So where to put the water. I know for a fact you should use distilled water because I'm a grown-up, and when you're a grown-up you just know things, you guys. So when you use products like these, you should always use distilled water. Bam! Distilled water. Looking through my box of all the stuff, videos I need to make, and look at this. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this video. Yeah, I'm late to the game, but I don't think you still want to see me wearing it, and it was another pound or 2 or 30, 40, all right, 70, but I will use this. Bingo! So these are my essential oils. Ooh. Place diffuser on flat surface. Done. With diffuser in upper position, remove the upper cover. Oh, ahead of the game. Fill the tank with water. Do not exceed max line. Use only cold or room temperature water. Do not use hot. Okay. Add 2 or 3 essential oils. Please like to choose different. Blah, 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 blah. So I have lavender, eucalyptus, lemongrass. I'm gonna use my favorite scents, which is citrus scents. I love citrus scents. I don't know why. I don't know why I just did it like that. So, all right. Now I'm gonna close this up. Okay. It says it's locked. I don't believe it, but whatever. All right. Looks plugged. Oh, look it. You guys see? I hit the light button. I don't think you guys could really tell that it's all pink now. I don't know if you guys could, it looks brighter in the back. I don't think the camera's picking this up. But oh my god, you guys, this is actually really bright. And I don't know why the camera is not, I think it's the lighting. Is it the lighting? If I turn off the lights, will you guys be able to see? Okay, so we're now in the dark. Turn off all my lighting. But see, now you guys could see how cute it actually, it's really bright. And that's my alarm. It's really bright. I don't think it's too bright like in a dark room, like if you have the diffuser on. But it's really cute colors. So I'm really excited about that. That's really cute. Now I'm gonna go turn on the light. There you go. So you guys got to see the light, and I'm gonna just turn off the light because it doesn't really make a difference. You guys can't see it. But now I'm gonna hit the mist. You can automatically hear it. Ooh, it's starting to mist. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, it really works really well, you guys. Oh, it's coming in hard. Okay, so it is. It's the clicks. So 1 click is on, 2 clicks is 1 hour, 3 clicks is 2 hours, whatever. And then once you get to the 4th click, it turns off. So, but I don't like that because then you have to kind of click, 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 click. It's not like, there's not like a little line that says, hey, you're right here, just in case you forget, because we know you, Nancy, and as soon as you click, you're gonna forget which one you're on. I really don't know the cost, but I'm assuming that you get this in Amazon, so I'm gonna have the link down below. I'm gonna look for it and find the link down below. Again, I got it for Christmas, so I'm not sure, but if it is, if you could purchase it on Amazon, I will have the product link down below, along with where I got these essential oils. Anyways, I totally recommend this product because look, it's not loud. Mind you, I've never bought another diffuser in my life. I don't know if they're even quieter than this, but this to me is not loud at all. Like I could barely even hear that it's on. It's like working really well. And I love the feature that it lights up. This is super, super cute for like a dorm, for a kid's room, for my room. I'm a giant child. I don't care. I love unicorns and I love diffusers. I understand. I just said I've never bought one before, and I just said in the same sentence how I love them. I love the concept of them, and I got really excited when people would have them in their homes, and I loved what they did, but my ass was too cheap to actually go and buy one for myself. But now that I have one, I'm so excited and I'm gonna have it on all the time. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that like button if you did like. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in this, I will have it linked down below, I hope. If not, nothing will be there. Nope. Yay!